In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in OpenArt. First, open OpenArt and land on the home page. Move your mouse over the main image area to reveal the editing options. When you see the controls appear, click on Edit Image. This takes you to the editor where you can work on your photo or artwork. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal. Just give it a second. Next, bring in the image you want to edit. You can upload a new file from your device, which is great if you've just prepared something. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. If you've edited with OpenArt before, you can also choose from your edit history. That saves time by letting you revisit files you already used. Once your library or upload finishes, select the exact image you want to work with so it's clearly highlighted, and then click Confirm. This locks in your choice and opens the editing tools for that image. Now let's change the background. Look for the background option in the editor and click it. This opens the background tool specifically designed for replacing or regenerating the backdrop behind your subject. Choose Generate a new background to start the process. You'll see a field where you can type the background color you want. Keep it simple and specific. Try color names like navy, soft beige, or pastel pink, or paste a hex code such as number 1, A1A, 1A, if you want a precise shade. If the prompt mentions what to replace, describe it clearly, like replace background with solid white, or replace with a light gray studio backdrop. Being specific helps the tool understand exactly what you're aiming for. Before you create the results, adjust the number of images. This controls how many variations OpenArt will generate in one go. More images give you more choices, but they can take a bit longer to process. Pick a number that balances variety with speed, especially if you're testing multiple colors. When you're ready, click Create. The system will process your request. This may take a few moments depending on the image size and how many variations you selected. Sit tight and then review the results as they appear. You'll see your image with the new background color options applied. If one looks perfect, you're set. If it's close, but not quite right, consider trying a slightly different color name or hex code and generating again for a more exact match. And that's it. Quick, clean, and consistent background color changes in OpenArt.